Welcome back. Thanks for joining me today. Today's workout is an 8-minute side booty workout. So we have 7 different exercises and we're just going to do them back to back. Most of these are unilateral movements, which just means one side and then the other. So again, 7 exercises, 8 minutes total. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do so, and let's begin. The first exercise we're going to be doing is a squat. So just put that band right above the knees, and we're going to squat down as low as we can, pushing the knees out, making sure they're directly over the toes. We're doing this for 1 minute. Keep it up for a few more seconds. The next exercise is going to be a fire hydrant. So you're going to get down on your hands and knees and extend one leg straight out to the side. Make sure you're squeezing your glute for this, and we're here for 30 seconds. That's great. Keep it up for a little bit longer, and then we're going to switch sides. Coming up, our third exercise is a kickback. So stay on your hands and knees, and you're just going to extend one leg backwards, again squeezing that glute. 30 seconds here. Good job. We're going to switch sides now for another 30 seconds. Awesome job. Next, we're going to get down on one side, keep those legs bent at about a 90-degree angle, and we're going to lift one up and down for a clam shell. 30 seconds on each side here. Good job. Change sides. Next, we're going to be lying on our back and doing a glute bridge. So make sure that when you push up, all of the weight is in the heels. You should be able to lift your toes off of the ground, and make sure you push your knees out whenever you raise your hips. We're doing this for 1 minute. Awesome job. Finishing up with that, we're going to do single leg glute bridges. So keep your knees together, again pushing up with both hips. Try to get full extension here and drive through that heel, 30 seconds. Good job. We're going to switch sides, 30 seconds on this side. You're doing great so far. You might start to feel that burn a little bit. We're going to stand up next, put that band around your ankles, and we're doing a band walk. So just from one end of the mat to the other, let's take a few steps, about 5 side to side. We're doing this for 1 minute. Get in a half squat. Make sure that you stay in this squat the entire time. You should really be feeling this in your TFL and glute medius. Awesome job, and we're just going to finish how we started. Our last exercise is squats. Again, go down as low as you can. Try to get the top of your thigh parallel to the ground and push your knees out. The band is just above the knees for this. This is the last minute. Keep going strong here. Awesome job with this workout. That was a quick 8 minutes, but if you're like me, you're definitely feeling that burn. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and leave a comment letting me know what exercise you liked the best, and enjoy the rest of your day. See you in the next workout.